Trees are undoubtedly one of the most beautiful things in the world that nature has given us. From flowering trees to thorny trees to rainbow trees, they are all magnificent and never fail to attract us. Check out the 10 most magnificent trees that exist in the world. Wisteria trees. Making first to our list is Japan's largest wisteria plant, also known as wisteria. It has become a tourist spot where visitors can walk and bask in the pink and purple light of the sun coming through the canopy, making it a truly amazing sight to witness. It is a type of a flowering vine growing in Japan which is decades to even centuries old. It is not only attractive but also popular for its fragrant flowers and vigorous growth. It is more than 144 years old and grows 10 feet or more in a year. The dark hedges in Northern Ireland. A delightfully dramatic tree tunnel in Northern Ireland looks more like a haunted place than a beautiful one. The stunning tree tunnel is so spellbinding that HBO's Game of Thrones has even filmed there representing one of the king's roles. Ireland's dark hedges is an avenue of large mature beech trees planted in the 18th century by James Stewart, who was trying to impress people coming up to his home at the end of the road. But apart from its dark growth, the place is quite photogenic. The trees of Vlei. Vlei is like a graveyard for trees, but surely the most beautiful dead places and a sight to behold. Remember the song "Tu Meri Adhuri Pyas Pyas" from Gajini? It was shot here in the Namib Desert. The white clay pan of Vlei once had water, but the climate change dried up the river and made the place devoid of life. The trees are around 1000 years old, and now the tree skeletons scorch in the sun, backdropped by immense orange sand dunes. Blooming cherry trees in Bonn, Germany. The beautiful blooming cherry blossom around the world is the flower of the cherry tree that marks the arrival of the spring in many countries. It symbolizes mortality and the acceptance of destiny. Because of its rich popularity, it is commonly featured in Japanese art, film, anime, and tattoo designs. Did you know you can get arrested for breaking off a blossom in Washington, D.C.? Axel Erlandson's art trees. Next on our list are these beautifully sculpted trees created by the Swedish-American farmer Axel Erlandson. He shaped trees as a hobby, developed methods to get them to form in strange shapes, but never shared how he did it. However, he told his children that he spoke to the trees. He planted trees in specific patterns, bent the trunks and branches carefully and made designs like hearts, baskets, bees, lightning bolts and rings. He created more than 70 strange unique trees. Here are some bonus plants for you. The pictures shown here resembling women's breasts are milk melons or breast melons. These fruits are native to Vietnam and are expected to enter the Chinese market in great quantities in the future. What's more intriguing is that e-commerce websites like eBay and Amazon are selling the seeds of this ridiculous plant and people are buying them in huge numbers. However, various platforms busted the myth and called it a hoax. Do you think these melons are real? And if yes, would you dare to eat them? We love plants and apparently they love us too. That is why they tend to mimic real life things. Next to our list is the spinous flower, which is extremely rare and has a scientific name as Nepenthes holdeni. Some flowers are red and some have hairs as well, making it even more real. They have actually modified leaves designed to capture and digest insects. The carnivorous strategy allows the plants to gain additional nutrients and flourish in otherwise impoverished soils. Ta Prohm, Cambodia. One of the many beautiful temples of Cambodia is the Ta Prohm, where the major tourist attractions are the ceiba and fig trees that are slowly reclaiming the centuries-old stonework. Huge trees of ancient redwoods and oaks are beautifully blended into the walls of the temples, giving it a surreal and photogenic appearance. Ta Prohm is especially serene and beautiful in the early morning. Dragonblood trees, Yemen. The iconic Dragonblood tree is an evergreen tree having a unique and strange appearance that uprightly held like an umbrella. It earned its fearsome name of Dragonblood from its crimson red sap, which is used in medicines, dyes, and varnish. It was believed that it is the blood of the dragon and hence used in ritual magic and alchemy. They can live up to 650 years and found in the part of Yemen in the Arabian Sea. Giant sequoias, California. The Sequoia National Park in California definitely reminds you how big the world is and how small we are. The president is the largest giant sequoia tree in the world, and second if you count its branches in addition to its trunk. It is one of the major tourist attractions, standing tall at the age of 3,200 years. It is almost impossible to look at them in one go, making it one of the greatest natural wonders in the US. It can grow as tall as 20-story buildings. Rainbow Eucalyptus in Kauai, Hawaii. Meet the magnificent rainbow eucalyptus, which is a true natural wonder. Who painted the bark is usually the first reaction when people see this beautiful rainbow colored tree. One can easily find the colors available in the average 4-pack of assorted highlighters in this tree. Moreover, its bark changes color over time, giving it a kaleidoscopic look. The underneath layer starts off brown and then changes colors over time. Baobab trees in Madagascar. The majestic baobab trees are popular with their unique shape and imposing stature found in Madagascar's landscape for centuries. Also called as the bottle tree, these unmovable symbols of the tropical island's luscious scenery are excellent at storing water in their thick trunks to use during droughts. They stand tall for generations and reach a height of 18 meters. According to an ancient myth, when the gods planted the trees, they kept walking away, so they placed them upside down. Give your honest review for this video, make sure to share it among your family and friends, and let us know if you like to see more such amazing videos from around the world. Hello guys, the ebook for the month of December is available on our website. Get an exclusive discount of 30%, use the code CFA30.